Hello VTubers, thank you for coming back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change a name to a single word name. Again, Button Mobile. Yes, I have done a similar video already, which you can check out here. But on that video, I have received a lot of comments asking if it's possible to change your name on mobile. So for this video, that's what I'm going to be showing you. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using YouTube on Android. But it should be the same process on other mobile devices like iPhone or even iPads. This process itself is not too different from the desktop version with just a few minor changes. So if you're all ready, we can begin, and I'll be showing you the screen recording from the phone next so you can follow step by step. So to begin, open up the YouTube app and then click on the corner icon and then choose your channel. Once you're there, you're going to have to click on the gear icon on the right hand side. And this will get you to the channel settings screen. As you can see, there's an option there for name. So first, we have to change the first name. So type in your first name here, as like so. And then for the last name, enter period. Okay. And then all you have to do is press OK. As you can see, there's a warning as well. You can only change your name 3 times in 90-day period. So be careful with the name you choose, as you might be stuck with it. And then hit OK. There we go. The name transitioned over, as you can see. And then you can exit. And then go back and then check again to see if the name has changed by clicking your channel. There we go. Skank Hunt 42 is alive.